Noise there. Oh!
Hello, just popped down to Aldershot Raceway, which is a little oval circuit, to check out the banger racing and National Hotrods. So yeah, I thought I'd do a little video and share what we see.
So nearly topped off that World Series with a win. Spain has launched for international last year. 6 years old, they've never been a driver again. And to let more focus on the back end before. Daniel Nicholson Howden, 754. Those that you know, away. A lot of families. And underway. So we've still got David Dodd, we've still got the rubber duck. And we've still got the Cookie Monster still waiting. All those actions. 133. And the Million Stop round 4 rolls 713 knots all over the place this afternoon. There might be some more coming from Lawrence. Over there right in front of the multi-story grandstand. He's getting good grip on it. Contact number 6. And still, as she runs, remember who does the grandstand. She's still going through that funny drive. And then on that number 41 miles around the raceway. Give it up. It's a 19, whatever the big nut is on the bottom. Press the front. You're going to follow me to the next one. I think it's got this one. That's it. No, the old man goes, you're all right, okay. That's it. See you in a while, mate.
That's not racing though, is it?
Look at it, it looks too good. They're plainly going to race it.
Yeah. It's not ready to race.
I wouldn't
Unless it's a backup. Looks like the Escort and the Fiesta have already had quite a bad knot.
That's good if you want to go on to get the food. You have to go.
crazy cantilever suspension. They're all running like Simpson tubular manifolds, all offset. Look at all the like push rod or cantilever crazy suspension, onboard shocks and everything. Old Sierra gearbox.
Here it comes in. Direction fairly irrelevant as long as they're sensible and keep on the safe area. So two flags to remind them to 414. He's got the lead. The rubber ducks come to grief against the mad circle. The back straight brings the goals as well. With a checkered flag in the ready, and it goes to Jimmy Clay with 414, who comes through to how many people can sit in the third chair, probably at the top of that car. That will be second, spun round as they cross the line. The third place, 1, 2, 3, got back in. So the rest
It's a trailer with two bikes on it. Of course, it was you both Lisa Turner and Keith, I think, were promoting the meeting last week with the Caravan, and it's a trailer with bikes on. I think if it tows it goes is the motto for this month.
Are you ready for Caravans? Right, this is figure of 8 action. The first 4 laps is light contact or well, limited contact, we're going to try and do. The race itself will be 10 laps of the circuit. So then, we wish them all well. Where is the money? Just remember, they must keep hold of something, whether it's a chassis, whether it's a bathtub, a cuddly toy, or whatever it may be. So we wish them all very, very well. 10 laps, if they survive that, it will be a miracle. Over to you, Mr. Starter. The final event here this afternoon is the return of the Caravan figure of 8 race. Non-contact, Steve, for the first few laps here. I believe that will see it, but
Already the bikes have fallen off on Keithy's trailer. Don't use him for your trailering, I don't think. He's away at the moment. So no bikes. We've still got the bathtub, and the cuddly toys in the back are still enjoying their ride at the moment. Close on the 8 that time.
So very close, of course, within a few laps, folks, there could well be the possibility of a meeting in the middle, and I know you don't want that. Oh, Peter Dodge's Caravan. Well, Caravan, has a turn in there for Peter Dodge. Going to shower, he's your fix and box your line off that. So here goes Keith there. Oh, very close to the lead of turn. Right, green flag then. 10 laps to this, I will be a maid. Lap number 5. Oh, there goes there goes the path. No. Shocking. That was quite a hit, the 9-5 straight. Meanwhile, the cuddly toys are still enjoying their ride. They nearly got dismounted there. Oh! Hold on tight, Lisa. They're trying to get your back end, girl. 197 now, he's ultra quick and he's getting after it up. Oh, this is 141 and 197. It's going to be the run to the flag. 141 looks like he's going to do the business. It's Stephen. 197. The 6 just come out of that. Ladies and gentlemen, here, if you look on the entrance to the home straight, the sink. So we've had the bath and now the kitchen sink's gone. The good news on that front. So we will try and finish off the last 3 or 4. Stephen's in here.
I will go with Peter Dodge on 97. Deasy's just been doubled there in 803. Front wheel drive car, in the net.
I'm going to go with Team Smarty and the cuddly toys. Oh, they've
They're ambushed, Lisa.
Yes. They weren't going to let Lisa win it. Oh, and I'm not sure what's happened to the cuddly toys. Either on the back, they're still there. Or one of them.
Yes, one of them, I think one of them's over there. I can see the other one. Yeah, it's over there on the Aldershot, just on the Aldershot turn. Out there. Very sorry for itself.
Carcasses everywhere.